Hello.
Hey, you take this.
Yeah,
Just take this. See the way she's blushing.
Ha, Sharma is also fine. Nah, anything is fine, no problem. Okay, thank you.
See.
She got hung up. We are here for this. Woohoo! Woohoo! Okay, shit, it went again. Not for this. Not for this. We're not here for this. Actually, we can also eat this. But no. Wait for it. Wait for it. Where is it? Yeah, that is it. We are here for this. We are here for this. Allowed to film in here. But we were stopped by the security. 1 second, hold the camera. Vlog.
Vloggy.
Yeah, hello.
Vloggy.
How do we come to the first floor? Where are you guys? Are you guys in Shinshin? Oh, you're in Shinshin. Okay. What are you guys doing, Aisha?
We are sorting out the dress that's needed for alteration. The alteration part is non-alteration. Yeah, and then we're just keeping the rest of it, which are not needed for alteration, inside these bags. Right here. So there's a lot of green and pink in here.
It's not Louis Vuitton, man.
That's all.
Take them.
Okay, fine, bye.
Hazel, do you know in this, 1 second, I have to say something. In this world, Hazel, there are models, and then there is you, who doesn't know shit about that.
I have designed 3 garments till now for the Dream Zone Fashion Week.
There is no such place.
Please don't listen to Preetam Das.
I believe in you.
And soon I'll create a brand.
She doesn't even know what Zara is.
A brand that people won't buy.
She doesn't even know what Zara is.
Zara is a brand.
Oh, Zara's a brand.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, awesome. So we are asked to do backstage vlogging for the fashion week that's happening in Coimbatore. It's one of the coolest things that happens in Coimbatore at this point of time. And to get to vlog this is a really cool thing. Okay, great. Right, so we are... Okay.
Take the camera like your friend.
Awesome. Okay, we are doing backstage vlogging for Fashion Week, Coimbatore Fashion Week, which is hosted by what, Volvo?
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's
We're not even involved and we are tensed beyond.
we are so freaking tensed about what is going to happen. I hope the shots that we get is really cool. There's a lot of people who work into this thing and they work really hard to get things done. So we're going to look into who exactly these people are and what exactly we get to do behind the scenes for this event. It's going to be really fun. I'm excited. You guys should be excited too. So let's go ahead and see it. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi guys.
What's up? We are. What are we doing here, Aisha?
Fitting session is going on for Coimbatore Fashion Week.
Okay.
Fashion Week.
Yeah, you should tell all the sponsors. This was
Kingfisher sponsor.
Kingfisher.
Yeah, Kingfisher is the main sponsor for us.
Volvo is of course another sponsor.
There are so many models.
Okay.
So fitting session with Nazia Simon designer is going on now. So we're done with the fitting session. Now they're just chilling, so are we, and we're waiting for what's to be done. That's it.
Hey, there's a cool hairstyling thing going on. Yeah, can we get the time lapse of that?
ले ले.
Just look that side. Hold on.
Interesting and
We got kicked out again.
don't say we got kicked out. That's kind of rude.
Okay, we had to go out because the girls are changing.
Don't say that also.
Then what do I say?
Say we had to go out in the room.
Okay, we had to-
have to say that this started with something else.
Meanwhile, since we are not inside anymore and we got kicked out because the girls are changing, they need to put on to their costumes, and I'm so sorry I cannot see the costumes, but trust me, their costumes are amazing. These designers are really good, so you gotta go check it out. I'll try and get one of the designers to come and speak so that you guys know what exactly is happening, but I cannot show you any of the designs until tomorrow. So until then, let's do a tour of this hotel. Lift number 1, lift number 2, lift number 3. There is a wash basin in this place. I have no idea why they need a wash basin in an open place. This is the vast lobby. This is cool looking chandeliers to make it look like a big hotel. It actually is. You get Spiritualine massage. I have no idea what that is. This is Chin Chin, the best Chinese restaurant. Oh wait, this is Chin Chin, the best Chinese restaurant that we have in Coimbatore. Library of books that you can never read because it's made out of plastic. It's so big, you can't read.
What did you say, Preetham?
Is there enough light?
No, now there's not enough light. Yeah, come.
Let's go ask her if she needs help in folding.
Nah,
This is
we know.
the most awkward thing we've done. We are in a girls' changing room. I mean, like, this is the most awkward thing we've ever done in our life. Okay, we're gonna see if we can get the designer to talk for us. Hey, look who I have with me here. This is Sanjana John here. Okay, I have to know what got you into fashion designing.
By default, in fact. I actually never thought I would be in fashion because I work a lot with charity, social causes, and my brother was the main reason as to why I got in. I was doing the
Yeah, I heard he
marketing.
was in America's Next Top Model, one of the designers.
Yes, also, and of course he was who they had picked as who to watch in 2007 with Obama and Hillary Clinton, one of the best in the world, I should say. Very proud of his work and his talent.
Yeah.
But anyway, I was doing the marketing for him, and from marketing it came to basically where he pushed me and said, listen, go do your collection. So I went to Cannes Film Festival, did my, let's say, my debut out there, and I did New York Fashion Week, Vancouver, where I was picked as International Rising Star.
Oh, congrats on
And
that.
Thank you. But it's, it's a good process. It's a cycle. So round and round, and here I am, first time in Coimbatore. Looking forward.
We are happy to have you here.
Oh.
Okay, and we should also know what is the 2 must-haves in a girl's wardrobe in India.
Actually, what really suits you is the first thing you should know for yourself.
Yeah.
So it's not like saying, okay, you know what, let's do the black shirt and the black dress. No. First, figure out if jeans suit you or a skirt suits you better. So depending on that, you gotta customize. But definitely, blue jeans for sure, a white shirt for sure. I think that's like the best thing any girl can do, and you'll look good at any time in a white shirt and a blue jeans. So must have.
Yeah, and I also heard you have a message out there for every followers, yeah? Everywhere, please do.
Actually, 18th, India is uniting for animals, and they're, I think, all over in the different major cities. They're doing a major walk and talk and doing everything they can. It's about prevention of cruelty against animals. So Coimbatore, step up, and all the viewers, all the bloggers, all the people who actually care with a heart, step up and do something on the 18th, even if it is posting a message, even if it is getting out there and feeding a dog or giving it a glass of water, but do it. 18th. And I think this is the way we make this world a better place.
Sure, I'll be there. I hope you guys will be there too to support her. It's an amazing cause. I hope you guys will be there. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Pleasure.
Yeah. Thank you.
All GRE has
We have to,
GRE.
we have to sign some application.
Okay, so y'all can come in the morning. You can come in the morning 3. Yashi,
Such
you
a
can come in the
boss.
morning
Such a
4.
boss, Kirti.
Then that girl will come 5.
Hi.
Such a boss, Kirti is.
Dude, she is the boss. Like, she is the boss.
The boss.
The boss.
Look at the boss.
Look at the boss. Look at the organizer.
She told me
Look at the.
Let's take a very close look at the organizer. Let's take a close up.
Alterations or what?
Boss of.
See, she's so busy.
She told she wants someone for backup for alterations. Who?
And the boss is.
So
Shreya
Shilpa Bhabhi from Dream
The boss.
She told she will come for 11:30. You might have to like inform me explicit content. Okay, cool. But she just
Okay, if we had known to.
What happened to your jeans? Be there.
I'm poor. I only work for designers. No one gifts me. So
Hey, guys, look a picture. The boss. So this is the Volvo Fashion Week, and these are the garments. So here, this was the
You're not supposed to shoot.
this was a fitting room.
Fired. You can't be a vlogger anymore.
This was a fitting room. This is the star. This is the star. Let me check the name. Nazia Shahid and Sanjana John was the designer. There were 2 designers for today, and tomorrow there are upcoming
What
2
should we wear
designers.
tomorrow?
Ha!
That is more.
she said whatever.
The second boss. Let's take a close up of the second boss. Second boss. Second boss is close.
पीछे से तो at least model के थोड़े, you know, close.
Rakshu's whole point is she has to become the next top model.
India's next.
Okay, you're all free right now, no? Okay, show what is the most perfect ramp walk.
Oh, please, for your blog, we can't do all this.
Like, you know, seriously, we do well.
See, she's gonna start because
She's a boss. She's a boss. Close up of the boss again. Okay, let's do the ramp walk. Okay, this is how you should do the ramp walk. All the aspiring models out there. Okay. You okay. Oh. Wait, hold on a second. Don't start off like that. Hey, models. Okay, wait, hold on. Okay, now, okay, somebody announce. I should announce. I put a sound there. That's too close. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Come here. Come till here, and pose. Okay.
Eventually.
God, it's been a tiring day.
We've been here for like 6 hours.
6 hours, and
It's still not over.
final work has been done. All the alters have been done, and tomorrow I'm excited for the show. Let's hope for the best.
She's doing nothing for the show. Her designer wear is not coming.
I have done a
I ran out of battery, so I couldn't get anything else into this. But it was an amazing day, and I was sitting and actually I'm still working on the vlog right now. I'm still editing it. It was amazing. There was a lot happening, and I can't wait for today. Today is the event day, and I have to shoot that as well. So let's see what we can get. And yeah, I think I should just go get some sleep because I haven't slept the entire night. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah.